the aliens build the Great Pyramid? Was it a long-lost civilization? Or was it what mainstream science says was a skilled worker class?
These are the top 5 reasons why what science teaches you about the Great Pyramid is dead wrong. Number 1, all 4 sides of the Great Pyramid face exact cardinal points on the compass, meaning that the north side faces perfect north, the same for the east, west, and south sides.
The math used to calculate an exact line along the true cardinal points for 756 feet, which is the length of each side of the Great Pyramid, is astonishing.
Number 2, some of the stone blocks used in the Great Pyramid weighed up to 160,000 pounds. The maximum weight an 18-wheeler can carry is 80,000 pounds. So some of these stones would require 2 Mack trucks just to move them. Science tries to teach us that our human ancestors dragged and placed these huge stones in the Great Pyramid without using any weights or pulleys. Number 3, the Great Pyramid is 1/3 the distance between the equator and the North Pole. If you draw 2 lines through the center of the Great Pyramid, the 4 quadrants evenly divide all of the landmass on Earth. Which means they were well aware of the land that science tells you wasn't discovered until centuries later.
That means they knew all about the continents of North and South America. They even knew about Antarctica, which wasn't discovered until 1818, over 4,000 years later.
If we use the Great Pyramid as the prime meridian, the location of all sacred sites on Earth land on exactly 5 or 10 degree intervals. This includes places like Tiwanaku, Stonehenge, and Easter Island. Want to know the biggest thing science can't explain about the Great Pyramid to this day? I'll tell you, but quickly take a second and subscribe to my channel. The biggest thing science won't tell you is, today we could never build the Great Pyramid with the stones they used. Even with modern equipment, the massive stones used in the Great Pyramid were placed so precisely that you could not slide a piece of paper or a razor blade between them. We can only match the precision today in a computer simulation.
Join me next week as I propose another theory as to who may have built the pyramids.